Everything you've been told about budgeting is a lie. Tracking every single penny. It's a waste of time. In fact, for most people, traditional budgeting is the exact reason they stop saving. I spent years obsessing over every latte and grocery receipt. It didn't make me rich. It just made me miserable. Then I discovered a system used by the wealthiest 1% that flips the script entirely. It's called the anti-budget. And it's how I and thousands of others finally hit our savings goals without the headache. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to save $500 a month or more without ever opening a spreadsheet again. We're moving from restriction to automation. By the end of this video, you'll have a plug-and-play system to grow your wealth on autopilot. Let's dive in. Let's be real. You've tried the spreadsheets, the envelope method, maybe even one of those fancy apps that pings you every time you buy a coffee, and for a week. It works. You feel in control. But then life happens, you miss one entry. You overspend on a Friday night. And suddenly, the whole system collapses. Now you're staring at a red cell in a spreadsheet, feeling like a failure. That's the budgeting trap. It turns your finances into a part-time job you aren't getting paid for. You spend more time tracking your money than actually growing it. Think about the mental load. The guilt. That tiny voice in your head every time you swipe your card. Did I account for this in the miscellaneous category? You're living in fear of a spreadsheet, and here is the worst part. Tracking every penny doesn't actually make you rich. It just makes you obsessed with the small stuff while you ignore the big picture. You're counting cents while your wealth is stagnating. It's exhausting. It's restrictive. And for most of us, it's completely unsustainable. If saving money feels like a chore you hate, you simply won't do it. You don't need more discipline. You need a system that doesn't suck. So if traditional budgeting is a lie, what's the truth? It's called the anti-budget. Most people think saving is about restricting your life. It's actually about automating your future. Instead of tracking where your money went we're going to decide where it goes before you even see it. See, traditional budgeting is like a crash diet. You track every single calorie, you feel restricted, and eventually you snap and binge spend. It's called decision fatigue. You simply don't have the willpower to say no to a latte 30 times a month. Here is the 3-step system to save $500 a month without a single spreadsheet. Step 1. The pay yourself first rule. Most people pay the landlord, the electric company, and Netflix first. Then they try to save whatever is left. Spoiler alert. Nothing is ever left. With the anti-budget, you are the most important bill. Step 2. Automation. This is the secret sauce. You don't try to save. You make it impossible not to. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to a separate savings account the exact day your paycheck hits. If the money isn't in your checking account, you can't spend it. You've effectively removed the choice from the equation. No willpower required. Now let's talk numbers. To hit $500 a month, you need to move $125 a week. If $125 feels like a mountain right now, don't panic. Start with $25, then $50. The habit of automation is more important than the initial amount. Once you see that balance grow, the dopamine hit will drive you to increase it. Now for step 3, the guilt-free spend. This is where the magic happens. Once that $500 is moved, the rest of your money, it's yours. Spend it on whatever you want. No tracking, no apps, no guilt, because you've already won the month. But here is the pro tip. Don't put this money in a standard savings account. That's where your money goes to die. Put it in a high-yield savings account or HYSA. In a normal account, you earn pennies. In an HYSA, the bank pays you a significant percentage just for letting your money sit there. It's literally free money. You've now built a system that saves for you while you sleep. Now, here is the secret sauce. You cannot leave this $500 in your checking account. You'll spend it. That's where a high-yield savings account comes in. Most big banks pay you nothing. A HYSA actually pays you to keep your money there. I've linked my favorite high-yield account and a few automated tools in the description to make this anti-budget happen on autopilot. Imagine the result. $500 a month is $6,000 a year. With compound interest, that grows faster than you think. You aren't just saving. You're building a financial fortress. No spreadsheets. No guilt. Just growth. If you're ready to stop stressing over pennies and start building real wealth, hit that subscribe button. Check the links below to set up your HYSA today. Stop budgeting. Start winning.